What if your most boring daily tasks could actually help you feel calmer and more focused? In today's Thrive in 5, I will show you how to transform the mundane into mindful moments that ground you even in a busy day.
You are listening to the Thrive in 5 podcast with Cindy Gordon. This is your daily dose of productivity, motivation, and success strategies. I am here to turn your big dreams into actionable goals one step at a time. Ready to make the most of the next 5 minutes? Let's dive in.
Let's be honest, there are a lot of things that we have to do each and every day that feel repetitive, boring, or just plain annoying. Dishes, laundry, email, cleaning up the same mess over and over again. But here's the reframe. What if these moments weren't just time wasters, but built in opportunities to practice mindfulness? You don't need to sit cross legged with candles for 20 minutes to be present. Mindfulness can happen during the most ordinary parts of your day if you choose it. Here's how to turn mundane tasks into calming, grounding practices that will reset your mindset. First, you need to slow down and tune in. The next time you're doing a routine task like wiping down the counters or folding laundry, notice your breath. Feel the motion of your hands and pay attention to the sounds, the smell, and the rhythm of the activity. This is mindfulness in motion. You're training your brain to focus without distraction. I want you to use sensory anchors. Light a candle while you're tidying up. Put on soft music during your morning cleanup. Use your favorite hand soap when washing dishes. These little touches elevate the experience and help signal calm instead of chaos. Sensory details ground you in the moment and help you shift your energy. I want you to pair a positive thought or affirmation. Turn your inner monologue into your own cheerleader. While you're doing the dishes, say something like, I am taking care of my space. While making the bed, you can say, I am creating calm. This simple shift rewires your brain to associate routine tasks with pride and peace rather than frustration. When you add in mindfulness to your everyday moments, you are creating more presence, and presence increases focus, patience, and emotional resilience. Instead of seeing your tasks as interruptions, they become opportunities to reset and reconnect. So to recap, your action steps for today are to choose one daily task like tidying up, doing the dishes, or even walking to the mailbox, and try to do it mindfully today. Add in a sensory detail, music, lighting, scent that can help shift the mood. Say one positive phrase out loud or in your head while doing the task. You don't need to add more to your plate. You just need to see it a little differently. Your routine can become your reset. Let the mundane become the moment of peace. You've got this.
Thanks for tuning in to the Thrive in 5 podcast. If you found value in today's episode, I'd love for you to leave a review. It helps more listeners discover the show. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a dose of productivity, motivation, and success tips. And hey, share this episode with a friend that could use a little extra inspiration. Until next time, keep thriving and remember, you've got this.